C3 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Has a 350 underneath the hood, and that's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper up front. Also has had a repaint to, I'd say this is very similar to a Le Mans blue. Power steering car, factory AC car. The text did note that the compressor is in-op, just so you're aware of that though. And I'll touch on a few other details that they went through when it was in service and let you know about that. But first of all, if you want to see the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can see all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style slotted wheels, beauty rings, Chevrolet center caps. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. If you take a look on the hood, and I don't know if I can get this to show up in the video or not, but there is some light kind of etching in the hood. So is the paint perfect? No. Does it have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. Be a car that'll turn heads at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Trim code STD, so standard black vinyl bucket seat interior. Center console, as you can see, white vinyl top, and I will put the top up here at the end of the video, show you how it folds up. Very simple going up and down. We'll show you how it folds up, check out the condition. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the chrome and the rear bumper, looking good. Dual exhaust, as you can also see. Now, I do want to mention a few things before we get any further into this video. A little TLC that the car will need. I played around with the headlamps. I did not get both of them to come up simultaneously. The previous owner also noted wipers, in-op, antenna, as you can see, missing. I mentioned the AC compressor, and the blower motor was in-op, so they said to announce it in the video in the description of this car, and go ahead and price it accordingly. So that's what we have done. I also want to mention that there is a folder with miscellaneous receipts, as well as some service history on the car, showroom brochure, and also some miscellaneous manuals as we take a look up and down this driver's side. If you like these C3 Vettes, or maybe just into Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Factory AC convertible in a 68, actually pretty rare. I believe only about 20% of the 68s had AC, and many of those would have been coupes. A few miscellaneous parts too you'll be able to see in the still pictures. I just put them in the storage compartment behind the seats. Check those out in the still pictures also. And you can see the interior's in nice shape, vinyl seats. A little bit of a wear spot just on the inside of that right there. But overall, interior looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And we will take a peek underneath the hood so you can see that. And again, 350 V8, 1989 crate 350 is, I believe, what suffix code and casting numbers determine. Tack was working, you see that. Here's the oil pressure gauges also. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Fuel gauge, clock's not working, and battery. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8 small block Chev power plant. And here we go. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Now you note 327 on that sticker. It is a 350. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Note the belt, or the absence of the belt. So needs a little TLC with the AC, and looks like it's still R12 fittings on there, but priced accordingly, so drive it the way it is or take it to the next level. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick, get the tripod set up. I'll show you this convertible top, how you fold it up, check out the condition of it, and of course folding it back down is just the opposite of how you fold it up, so not much to it. I'll show you it going up here, and let's check out the condition. And here it is with the top up. As you can see, pretty simple for one person to fold it up, have it latched. I rolled up the side windows too, so you can see how everything fits. So above the windshield, nice tight fit. White vinyl. Let's get a look at the side glass. Top has been replaced somewhere along the line. Like a little newer top. Rear window nice and clear. Nice fit down along the body. That rubber gasket. And passenger side window. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Needed to keep you dry or maybe out of the sun. It'll serve its purpose just fine. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we are running with the top down today on this beautiful day. Great day to drive a Corvette. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so no need to use that clutch. Makes it even easier to have fun and drive it. Our tachometer is working, as is the speedometer. Speedometer appears correct. We have a clock on the far left here that the second hand is counting. Oil pressure is showing about 50. The battery is right above halfway on the gauge. Fuel gauge showing over 3/4 of a tank, and the temperature showing about 130. That's still warming up. Great look to this Corvette. That blue paint is just brilliant. Steering wheel nice and straight. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Factory looking bucket seats in black vinyl. Corners nice and flat. Nice throaty sound to that exhaust coming out the tailpipe. A blue 68 Corvette convertible on a sunny day. What more fun could you have? Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.